A marriage where the two people are working together and are together, it can be like heaven on earth. And it takes work to do it. You have to go the extra mile of doing the things necessary. So whatever it takes, keep working this thing out. If you do the thing about companionship and you put yourself in one another's face, like if I may put it that way, every other thing will follow. Like the Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of God. Companionship is the kingdom of God in marriage. Seek ye that first. And every other thing will follow. And then you understand God's need also for companionship. Ultimately, that's where it should take you to. This is the reason why God brought us. So if you make the pursuit of marriage, what you're pursuing marriage, that reason that is higher than yourself, God, you'll find that it becomes easy for you to let go of things that is just, out there on the surface. And she didn't greet me, so I won't forget. All those things, you let go. You know why? Because you are after the mind of God in your marriage. You want fellowship to be. You want companionship to be. And you don't want it also anything that will hinder that between you and what? You don't want anything. You don't want anything.